Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the format options in Google Vids. So you're in Google Vids, you're on a scene, you've got some content that you'd like to format. What you're going to want to do is select the content you want to format, go to the Format menu, and click on Format Options, and you'll see these standard formatting options show up. If you use Google Apps a lot, this should be really familiar to you. This is pretty much the same type of format options that show up in any of the Google apps when you click on formatting. You can adjust the size and rotation of an object, the position of an object, the text fitting, add a drop shadow. That's actually a really nice effect. I use that one from time to time. And alt text. So if you want to update the formatting for a specific piece of content, there's a bunch of different ways you can do that, a bunch of different options within these menu options. And that's how you can reformat things in Google Vids to get just the right look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.